Oh, this is stressful, man. When did this become so stressful? Oh, so... oh yeah. High five, dude. Whatever it is. Good morning, beautiful people. How are you all doing? It's Sunday morning, 8:05. Don't you hate when people say, don't be late, I'll be there on time, and he's late now 6 minutes? What is this? What is this? I'm super stoked for today because we're supposed to be... Is he seriously late? What we are doing today, we're going for a BMW M Performance rally. This is the BMW M Performance club, and I signed up, obviously. I obviously signed up when I got my BMW, which is just up the street. Now we're not going in my BMW because, how should I tell you, there was a situation a few days, weeks ago when I got like 6 points on my license. I don't want to lose my license. Plus my BMW is E93, and because I'm commuting a lot, it's diesel, so I didn't really want to show up to the BMW M Performance event with a diesel. So instead we are showing up with newer diesel. The reason why we are going with his BMW, besides that it's newer, and besides that I have 6 points, and besides that it doesn't sound like tractor that much, is that it's a 330 diesel, meaning that it has a lot of torque, and meaning that we have much higher chances of winning. 8:14, I'm on my way. What? Don't be late, and then 14 minutes, I'm on my way. Well, you should have been here, Tyrone. I'm joking, I'm still in a good mood because this should be sick. Also, given that it's such a beautiful British day today, you see this corner right there? It's giving us so much opportunity to go sideways and drift. You see what I'm talking about 11 minutes ago? I'm on my way. Yeah, that right there is not a BMW driver. It's not possible. Where are you now? Cranberry Street. Exactly, so just go down. There you are. Finally. What? Oh, here you are. Look at that shiny thing. Are you sure we are ready for this? I'm not sure. Yeah, let's go. So our navigation skills are working really well this morning, right? Yeah. Yep. Good that I'm in this seat, in the passenger seat, so I'll be the one navigating. How can you get lost with the GPS, man? Quite easily.
New Prada bag, brown butterscotch. They don't know Flacco, I'm gripping the wop. I do what I want, I'm sipping the wop. I'm out of a Dio, Gucci down to the side.
I mean, someone's coming in a Japanese car. Like,
oh, whoa, what is that?
That's disrespectful. That's great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Take a look at this.
Let's see the instructions. Whoa. That is way too much information, man. In short, we have just seen the instructions and it's like double-sided, like 5 pages. Our start time is just under an hour, so we're just gonna wander around a little bit and then go and study.
Calling me daddy, Poppy and Pop. Must have forgot, these niggas colossal. My bitch is a model, get in the rock.
Are we alright to write another? There must be a spare.
Well, I kept my instructions. That's what matters. But that's a feedback for next time, because you rip the envelope to open it, and then you just want to throw it away.
Yeah.
No, don't get
So I mean, ideally it should be a separate. We're the only ones. I mean, I'm the only one.
Block capitals do this envelope.
How embarrassed are you that I'm your passenger? To my defense, yeah, we got these papers, we got the instructions, that's all you need for rally, right? Why on earth would you keep an envelope which you rip at the beginning? So I was like, obviously, I mean, I did feel that something was wrong because, well, there is time in something that they are populating at every sort of stop. Yeah, I ripped ours apart, so we had to make a new one. This rally is a recipe for disaster. Tyrone, who is being late and cannot navigate to my house using the GPS, and then me ripping the instructions off. Brilliant start. How embarrassed are you that I ripped the instructions off?
To
It's okay, we've redeemed ourselves.
We got the new ones, manually written, special, unique. Oh, we have another instructions inside from someone else, but doesn't matter. They sound amazing.
Yeah, that was good.
They sound amazing.
Oh, what's he doing?
He's taking the plate off.
Changing his plates. Cheat.
He's changing the plates. That is cheating. Do you have spare plates?
No.
What do you mean no? How are we gonna win, man? How are we going to win without spare plates? Like, we're gonna get arrested. Did he just seriously change the plates and be like, yeah, I don't care? Alright, what's the strategy? This. I can't. I'm way too jealous of these people. Are we in the slowest car here? No.
Look at that old thing. 61 plate.
This is amazing. Like, we've studied this thoroughly through GPS, through Google Maps.
This is 52.
52. I think we should. I think that no, go. 50,
No, wait.
52.
But this is 51.
Yeah, but no, but that's your
52.
car. That's your car.
Let's do it by BMW time, seeing as it's a BMW event.
So, but what is a BMW? Dude, you said this time. This is 53. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. 53. Time to go.
Just 53. That's
53. Did you put your racing gloves on? Yeah. Did you really skid? Did you really? They should.
Oh, they said the first clue was up here, didn't they? So don't miss it. Do you remember they said? So this is Carillion Way. So left again.
Yes.
Now where do we go?
This is now we are again left. Now, did you turn the traction control off?
Oh, I did?
Awesome.
What did I do that for?
Yes.
There we go. Sport.
All right, roundabout. We are going second exit. On the left, we are passing the parking lot.
There's parking.
So there is parking. We are going straight. Second exit. Or just follow M2 if we can make it.
No, they're going a different way to us.
No, I'm joking. Of course.
It's just like a row of BMWs.
Yeah, and police.
And a police car. What's the chances? Oh, it's an ambulance.
Totally obeying the speed limit. So are we following? Oh, come on. We're just following another BMW.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a mark. Come on, dude. Come on. Go. Whoa. Traction control kicking in. We'll have to overtake them at some point, right?
They might even go a different way. So we're going right straight on, yeah?
We're doing good so far?
Yeah. Come on.
Go, team. All right, 4.4 miles next. That's quite a while away. Turn off the radio. 82.76 miles to go. This is gonna be intense, man.
But then when we're on the dual carriageway, do we do the speed limit or do we floor it?
We obviously floor it.
Okay.
Okay, good. We agree on that. You know what you have to do, right? Nice power. Good. 7.4. Next one is at 1.3 miles. We have another huge roundabout. We're just going straight ahead.
So you can't miss it, yeah?
We can't miss it unless you want to jump over this roundabout. I can confirm that we're going much faster than initially anticipated because my BMW 320D wouldn't be able to go this fast. Ooh, some nice roads. We are on the second page now. 17.1 is our next mark. We're 15.1 T junction. Then we are going left. 71 miles to go. Easy, slowly. We don't wanna. Yeah, slowly. Make sure slowly. Yes. Awesome traction control. Whoa. 17.1. Okay, we're good to go. We're good. We realized Tyrone has a theory why we are having 0.2 miles on the clock more than it says on the paper, and that's because...
Well, if we're wheel spinning, then we're clocking that mileage we haven't done. So we're shooting ourselves in the foot.
I mean, sounds totally reasonable. This is 20.8. We need something in 21.
Down here, it's right turning on the main roads.
Easy, because this is 20.9. There should be a pub. As soon as there is pub, we are turning right. So is this a pub? No, there is no turning from the beginning.
Here.
Okay, good. That's the
There,
one then.
that's the pub.
That's the pub. Okay.
So 21.
21, good. Right, pub. Butcher and Barms. What the hell is this? Yes, right there. And then we have pub, tick. 24.5 is next one. We have a massive roundabout which we probably cannot miss. We have a few roundabouts then. Having an M2 in front of us. I bet he's gonna floor it. Oh no, really? Yeah, we need to overtake that M2 because he's going way too slow. We're just arguing because apparently if you're going way too fast you're gonna get negative points. But what's fun in that? So, right?
Yeah.
I mean, no, seriously.
But maybe he's saving mileage by going this slow.
You think he doesn't have a difference of 0.4 miles? He's M2. If we are clocking up miles because we're spinning wheels, he's freaking 5 miles ahead.
Oh yeah, I mean at this speed.
Yeah, but he's, what is this, 32 miles an hour?
Are we overtaking or what? Oh,
Yeah, overtake, definitely overtake.
there's another BMW behind us as well.
No, he
And
definitely...
they are racing.
Yeah, they are racing. Good, race is on. Okay, 30 miles an hour, this is speed limit. This one I think, something tells me that this one we should honor.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a note. Overtook M4, M3.
Yeah.
Overtook
He's still coming actually.
M2. Overtook M2, that's a big accomplishment right there. So next one will be at a mark 33.6 intersection. We're going left. There's gonna be a petrol station and a traffic light. And a freaking cyclist. Why is he cycling when it's raining? And there is what, 140i? There is 140i behind us. He is nailing. I think we almost lost him. Yeah, dude, I think we're going slightly faster than they want us.
Yeah. We might clock up a few miles, but it's fun, right?
Yeah, it is. Like I really don't care at this point about points. And then we'll have the petrol station and the traffic light, and then we go left. Okay, go. Okay, easy. It's 30 mile zone, man. But there is someone behind us. There is an M140i behind us.
It's either one of us or it's the cops. I think it's one of us.
No, it's one of ours. It must be one of ours. On a turn.
Nah, he's going a different route to us.
You think so?
Yeah. So left here.
Left here, then we have 6.5 miles, then we have the roundabout.
Oh, he's gone.
He's gone! Ooh, so he has a different route. Okay, we don't have anyone to race now with. But we're still gonna race,
I
right?
don't know where that M2 went. He's long gone, he's old news.
Oh yeah, he's old news.
There we go.
Thank you.
If you want to park up where you're happy, pop into the main showroom. There's tea, coffee, and
Thank
stuff.
you. And have we got 30 minutes?
You've got 30 minutes as of now.
As of
yes.
now.
30 minutes,
Okay.
chill. Thank you. We are having a rest of 30 minutes, good. Anyways, we had to leave that dealership because there's some insane cars over there. He already started putting a deposit on M5 competition pack, which costs like 107,000.
Ready?
Ready?
Hold your camera.
128, go. Go, nobody cares, go.
Oh no!
Oh no, traffic jam. Oh, look at that. We have dogs as well. Cute dogs, oh yeah. Come on guys. Go. You have space, go. Thank you.
Where do we go here?
Right. So we went left, and then
Clear left. Can I go? Oh shit. No, go.
Yeah, go. Alright, now, Jesus, traction control is kicking like at 40 miles an hour. That's what happens, dude, when you're, so, 46 one. That's where we need to go, yes.
How is the Sunday lunchtime going for you?
Because,
Cheers for the heads up!
hi guys.
New Prada bag, brown butterscotch. They don't know.
By the way, BMW owners don't use
Ripping the
indicators,
wop.
so sorry for that.
I do what I want. I'm sipping the wop.
Just go.
Direct me in.
Go. I'm gonna be directing you with the GPS. Go, just go. Go. So we are missing like 10 turns and finding a shortcut. 41 minutes away.
So we really fucked up.
I think we did. Alright, forget about that. Forget about the map. We are using now GPS.
Oh mate, I was hoping it would never come to this, that we use GPS.
I was thinking that the same. Well, I was hoping the same. After Googling a lot of different places, we found the postcode. We messaged the guys, they were saying, oh dear, you were doing so well, you guys. So, go! We have to buy some time now. We're essentially skipping like 10
Postcode they gave you was
turnings.
correct, yeah?
That postcode is correct now. No speed limit! Jesus. Yeah, but yes! Yes, yes, yes! Hello.
We have really fucked up here.
Yep.
Oh.
We did.
Are we the last ones?
No. What's your mileage?
58,879.
How bad is that?
5 more people.
Ready.
Let's go. I'm ready. Go. Go with this. This has to. This. This is Savory Place, right?
Yep.
Is that an intersection? There is an intersection, right? Yes, that's the one. Yes. Go. Oh, this is stressful, man. When did this become so stressful?
They know we've done bad as well.
They
Mate,
know.
We were on leg number 1, we were second. You know who came first? The guy in the M2, the old boy.
Yeah.
Even though he thought he went wrong, he came first, we came second. We're nowhere to be seen now, and then we're leg number 3, we can still make up some time.
Yes, so let's do that. I think this is it. Let's go.
Please calm down.
Finish, enter the service garage and record your time and mileage. Fine, we'll do that. You can say that we arrived a little bit earlier.
Yeah.
Can't
There
you?
we go.
What does it say here? Finished first place, Luca and Tyrone.
Leg 1, we have a tie between Adrian Neal and Tyrone Duncan. 0 points.
3. Oh yeah. So what are we doing? High five, dude.
Leg number 2.
As you have seen, guys, we've won M umbrella and M pen. This is teamwork. Yeah, you can keep this. Window de-icer, Scheibenklar, windscreen washer, M cup. Nice. Today has been amazing. Seriously,
Good navigator.
best Sunday ever. Good navigator, good driver. That was loud. Many thanks to BMW Cotswold. It's been an amazing event, amazing rally, and yeah, we're looking forward to be back here.
Next time, that's for sure.
Definitely doing next time. This is actually the first one they did. It's amazing. Thank you. All right, let's go.